How to log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. Amazon A to Z Employee Portal is an internal platform provided by Amazon for its employees to manage various aspects of their work-related tasks and personal information. It offers a centralized space for full-time and part-time employees to access important features related to their employment. So, firstly, on a desktop, open the web browser and in the search address bar, type down Amazon A to Z Portal or Amazon A to Z. Once you do so, tap on the search or enter. Then you'll be navigated to Amazon A to Z Portal. Now tap on it and go to the official portal. Here, enter the employee email or Amazon username associated with the account. Then enter the password linked into your Amazon A to Z account. And after entering your credentials, tap or click on the sign in button available there. And once logged in, you can manage your work schedule, pay stubs, benefits, and other Amazon employee services. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.